What's up guys, Slower T here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna get my Wickerbill installed at my friend Jose's shop, City Alignment out in Concord, because it's like a two-person job and I can't do it by myself and I don't have the tools for that. But damn, you guys see I need a fucking haircut. Who else is dying in this quarantine? No shave May? Yeah, it's May. Fuck, I can't even remember. Yeah, I need a haircut really bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Today's video is gonna be a Wickerbill, so enjoy it. There's the Wickerbill. Damn, look at that Mercedes AMG. There's my baby. Ooh, look. So this is my boy Jose right here. He's the one helping me install it. So first of all, he's aligning it. Then afterwards, he's gonna tape it up before he has to drill it. So he's just trying to see exactly where it's like evened out. Right, Jose? Yep. Huh. So we couldn't hold this Wickerbill with tape because it's a little bit too heavy and it'll fall off. So basically, we just have to hold it and mark where the middle is, just to drill a hole for just the middle one, and then we'll work our way down each side from there. This one's a little bit harder than like a Z01 Wickerbill. But it's good quality, custom made. These, they don't keep it like in a warehouse already ready to ship. They have to make them when you order them. So I think it's a good deal. Ooh. What's up, Louis?
Hey, do you have the small alligator grips? I don't know where that.
So we got the first bolt, got one bolt on that side. We're gonna put one on here, and then the glass, the middle piece, is gonna go at the end. Oh my God, is it black? Oh no, it has a protector on the other side, huh? Yeah. Don't say shit.
It's gonna have the same.
So these ones match properly, except these ones. Where's the hole? See, this one doesn't line up with the hole on the Wickerbill, and this one does. Yeah, just not that hole. Wow, Jose, it's pretty big. ¿Te la detengo ahí? Damn, this shit's pretty big. Nice.
Just gotta tighten them a little bit more.
Huh?
Just gotta tighten them a little bit more with the...
Damn, dude, it hurts just thinking you had to drill into the spoiler. I keep doing too much shit to my car. Like when they had to cut into the bumper for the quad tips. Oh, that shit looks nice. But yeah, I didn't think this was gonna be dark. I thought it was clear.
It looks fucking nice. I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it.
I even like it. That look good on it.
I mean, even if I didn't like it, I have it on, I'm fucked.
Probably look better on my hubcap.
Nah, that's what see. Ooh, it's hot. Heard that pop? Damn, this Wickerbill is hella big. Mira, se le quedó el tape.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Yeah.
Looks fucking nice, man.
Huh. And it goes with my license plate.
Ah! That would look better on mine.
Alright guys, this is my boys Jose's Hellcat. Look at those drag radios. Fuck. Dude, you need to put work in your car, like cosmetic wise.
Oh, fuck this piece of shit.
You need a diffuser, Wickerbill.
This? Yeah. That's daily.
A daily. That's his Instagram, 925 Cisco. Bolt Society. Hey. So this is the shop, City Alignment. If you guys ever need an alignment or need car work done, come out here to Concord. He'll hook you up. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for my video. This Wickerbill was harder to install than what I thought, and shout out to City Alignment. See you guys next time.